Installation video for the 8+1 magnetic touch panel. 3-phase installation steps. Before starting the installation, prepare all the required tools and ensure the main power supply is turned off. Next, open the switchboard and identify the wiring connections. Now, connect the 8+1 magnetic touch panel by following the wiring diagram shown in this video. Step 1. Prepare setup. Tools you'll need before you begin the installation. Make sure you have the following tools ready: screwdriver, tester, pliers. Having these tools ready will help you complete the installation safely and efficiently. Identify the switchboard you want to automate. Turn off MCB before starting the process. Don't miss this step. Step 2. Open the switchboard and identify the wiring. As this is a 3-phase switchboard, you will have 3 incoming phase lines: R phase, Y phase, and B phase. Identify each phase correctly before proceeding with the installation. The blue wires below each phase are the load wires. The black wire is the neutral wire, and the yellow wires are the fan load wire. Step 3. Connect the device. Now connect the black neutral wire to the N terminal. Next, connect the R phase to the P terminal, the Y phase to the P1 terminal, and the B phase to the P2 terminal. Finally, place a loop wire between the P2 to P3 and P4 terminals. Now, remove the load wires from the switchboard and connect them to their corresponding phase load terminals on the touch panel. Next, remove the fan load wire from the switchboard and connect it to the F terminal. Now I have connected the switchboard load wires to the corresponding load terminals on the touch panel as shown in the video. These are the two-way wires. You can refer to the wiring diagram shown on the screen for a clear understanding of the connections. Scenario 1. Two-way wiring with mechanical switches and the magnetic touch panel. Scenario 2. Two-way wiring between two magnetic touch panels. The two-way wiring is now complete. Mount the touch panel securely into the switchboard. Once the panel is securely fixed, attach the touch plate. The installation is now complete. Turn on the MCB to power up the touch panel and begin the device configuration. The touch panel has now powered on. You can now operate it by simply touching the panel. Wiring diagram for better clarity. Thank you.